Hello everyone. This is one of the circuit theory question. Before going to solution, please subscribe to my channel for regular updates on electrical concepts. Now we go through question. Consider a delta connection of resistors and its equivalent star connection as is shown below. This is delta connection. This is star connection. If all the elements in delta connection are scaled by a factor k, if you multiply all the elements in the factor k, then corresponding star equivalent will be scaled by factor. If RC dash is in scaled 1, how much factor we need to multiply? Before going to solution, you should know how to convert from star to delta. From delta to star conversion, if RA, RB, RC are previous star elements and small ra, small b, small rc, these are these are these are delta connection. Sorry. This is delta connection. This is star connection. For delta to star conversion, RC equal to RA into RB by RA plus RB plus RC. Similarly, I given formulas here. If if the elements in delta connection is multiplied by a factor k, like if you replace RA with KRA, RB with KRB, RC with KRC, substitute in these above formulas, then you get RC dash equal to KRC, RB dash equal to KRB, RA dash equal to KRA. RC dash, RB dash, RE dash are star connected connection after scaling delta elements by a factor of k. By a factor of k. Means RA dash, RB dash, RC dash are star connected after scaling delta connection by a factor of k. Then answer will be